Hello and welcome to The Sofa here at the World Water Week in Stockholm. My name is Eric Paglia. In this session, we'll be learning more about a public-private partnership, H2O Maghreb, that aims to improve industrial and municipal wastewater management practices in Morocco, while providing innovative training for young water professionals. I'm joined by Ulrika Bledery from the United Nations Industrial Development Organization. We have Nader Imani from the FESTO Didactic SE, and James Dumpert from USAID. Welcome to The Sofa.
Thank you. Thank you.
So we can start perhaps by asking Ulrika, can you please explain what this project is about and why it's important?
Well, thanks for the question. H2O Maghreb was started in 2017 as a vocational training program in Morocco. Why is it so important? We discovered a huge skills gap all over Africa and also in Morocco, especially in the vocational training sector and in the water sector, of course, which is our theme. What is the project all about? We are so the major components of the project is to set up a training hub that is state of the art. We are developing a curriculum and a vocational training program that is adapted to the Moroccan needs. And we are, of course, training the trainers, training the students, training the professionals so that they have the knowledge and the skills they need in their job and that makes them operational in the water sector in Morocco. So, as you mentioned, we're working in a partnership, which is a private partnership. So we have private partners, namely EON Reality and FESTO Didactic, that are providing us with the technology and with the innovative tools that we need in this kind of environment. We are working together with the Moroccan government so that the training is really in line with their needs, and we're working together, of course, with USAID, who is financing the project, and UNIDO is acting as the implementing partner.
Nader, perhaps you can say a few words about why innovation is important in the water sector.
Well, because the nature is not in the position to recycle the water that we need for life any longer. So we need technology to help us, humans, to manage this water technology and water recycling. So when you just look at around the globe, about 80% of the water consumption nowadays is not being recycled, and this is something that we cannot afford any longer. And to the use of technology, and more importantly, the modern technology and the cross-cutting of skills that we really need is important. So in this particular project, it was very interesting for us because we could really innovate on technical education, try to define the skill set that individuals need to have in order to tackle the water sector, to have a thorough understanding of mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, but also topics such as IT, such as Internet of Things, information, big data, biology and chemistry at the same time. And this being embedded in one profession, whether it is on the upskilling, reskilling of individuals, workers in the water sector, or whether it is about education of young people in that sector. Well, I always said we need heroes. We need people that are educated in the sense that they are really using their skills for a well-being of their society. And here we are. This is a fantastic possibility for a young woman or man to become a hero of the society by doing a right job in a society.
And James, from your perspective, what makes this project so unique, and is it possible to replicate it in other countries?
It's a really good question. I think what makes this project so unique is the strong partnership that was between the Moroccan government, UNIDO, the private sector, and USAID coming together and really focusing on developing innovative ideas to address a very specific challenge that a lot of countries, not just Morocco, face. So indeed, like Morocco is facing some serious water scarcity challenges, as my colleague just alluded to, but they're not alone. There are countries all across the MENA region and sub-Saharan Africa that also have and will have exceeding challenges due to urbanization, due to industrialization, rapid population increases, and of course climate change. All these factors, we need heroes across the globe who are able to tackle these challenges, and I think that's what makes this unique. And it's been remarkably successful, incredibly successful in Morocco, and because of its flexibility and also because of its modularity, we're allowed to take this apart and put it into other countries to adapt it context specific to other different countries. So that's what makes us really excited and how this program has really exceeded our expectations.
So what's the next steps and the long-term prospects for H2O Maghreb?
Well, I think there's nothing more to add to what James just said. So we want to take it across. We've seen that this project is very successful and that there is a need also in other countries. So we really invite everybody to join us, to join forces, because this is definitely not something. So we have this partnership, but this definitely we need more partners, and we want to take it further.
From my perspective, it will be kind of diversification of what we have done so far. James just mentioned that, yes, urban sector is one, but industrialization, and there is a trend, and different kind of industries that are using the water technology. So important for food sector, so important for automotive and leather industry, and you just name it. So yes, we would love to maybe specialize this water sector's education that we have developed in Morocco and put it also at the kind of specialization on the industry or urban dimensions.
Okay, well, thank you very much for joining us here on the sofa.
Thank you. Thank you for having us.
And stay tuned for more sessions throughout the World Water Week.